What is going on, guys? I apologize for not being here on YouTube and doing as many videos as I was. I am going more focused towards Roblox within this channel. I may eventually sometime down the line move to having a gaming channel. However, I think I can impact people a lot better with my Roblox videos. In the background you are seeing a time lapse of me creating some shopkeepers for my game that I'm creating called Save the Sea, which is all based on us saving the planet, which our oceans are actually in quite a mess right now. So I'm trying to make a game that's fun and also trying to raise awareness about the subject, but at the same time maintaining the fun aspects of a tycoon, adding a bit of parkour, adding a bit of what everybody wants to see. And I am here if anybody wants to input something into the game. I might not be able to input everything, but I will try and input what people have opinions on. So here we can just see that I'm making shopkeepers for the game, which in the game there's going to be different shopkeepers. For the shopkeepers there's going to be rubbish shopkeepers where you sell your rubbish. There's going to be a parkour person where you go to purchase a entry to going into a parkour. So it start off at around the standard 500 very easy parkour, moving up to really hard parkours towards the end. So this massive project is what's been taking my time during the break that I've been from YouTube. However, I have learned a lot from this project, so there is a lot more that I'll be able to show you in these tutorials, such as someone commented quite a few months ago that they wanted to have inside of one of the things that I created, how to make it save. And I've done a lot of data saving. Data saving has got a lot of advanced features in as well, but I can strip it down to the very basics for the next episode that is coming up this week. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Thank you for watching this video. However, what you're going to be seeing very soon from me is the release of Save the Sea, which is this game, which will be released on the 24th of April. However, what else you will be soon seeing from me is going to be a lot of explanation of how you can make a game, maybe not exactly like my game, but using a lot of data saves, and we'll do an entire project on YouTube of how to make a game. I hope that sounds good for everybody, and if it does, thank you for watching. Please again hit that subscribe bell, and I will see you guys after the video. Just enjoy the rest of the time lapse. See you guys later.